हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। एंड कैसे हैं आप लोग? तो गाइस, फर्स्ट थिंग्स फर्स्ट, आपको पता है कि IPU BSc नर्सिंग की काउंसलिंग डेट्स फाइनली आ गई हैं, तो प्लीज़ चेक आउट देयर ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट। मैंने अपनी इंस्टा पेज पर भी अपडेट किया था, सो फॉलो मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम अगर आप ऐसे ही कुछ और इन्फॉर्मेशन जानना चाहते हैं। तो मूविंग ऑन, आज मैं आप लोगों को मिलवाने वाली हूँ मिस मानसी महाजन से, हु इज़ द टॉपर ऑफ हर बैच इन BSN, दैट इज BSc नर्सिंग and RN and RM, that is registered nurse and registered midwifery, who is currently pursuing her post graduation, that is MSN in critical care in one of the most reputed colleges, that is AIIMS. So आज हम उनसे बात करेंगे and she will be guiding you with all the process, admission criteria, and जो कि मैंने इंस्टा पे स्टोरी डाला था कि आप कुछ लोग क्या क्या क्वेश्चंस उनसे पूछना चाहते हैं, so she will be answering them all. तो गाइस, देर नहीं करते हैं, let's move on. Hey, how are you doing?
Hi, I'm doing good. How are you doing, Ankita?
All good, all good.
सो बिफोर मूविंग ऑन, मैंने अपने इंस्टाग्राम पेज पे जो कि @nurse_with_wings उस पर एक स्टोरी लगाया था अबाउट द क्वेश्चंस दे वांट टू आस्क यू। सो उससे पहले उसको साइड रखते हैं, पहले मैं कुछ अपने क्वेश्चंस पूछना चाहती हूँ। सो हाउ विल यू एक्सप्लेन योर जर्नी फ्रॉम UG to PG and AIIMS Bhubaneswar?
See, my journey from UG to PG, it is completely different, totally different. You can say there are two changes, okay, that I personally feel that I acquire these things. The very first thing is something regarding to education, and the second thing is personality development, I guess. In the educational part, see, you are doing MSc, okay. If anybody is doing MSc, in that you are doing in a particular field, in a particular you are doing a specialization, okay. So you definitely will be going to be master in that. And the second thing is the personality development. I feel like MSc, especially, I don't know about the other colleges which are providing this MSc, but in AIIMS usually it tends to give a lot of opportunities to you to enhance your personality, to in the way, as well as personality in terms of your communicational skills. It gives you, you have a lot of practice teachings, a lot of seminars, a lot of things that you have to do, really. So somewhere from UG to PG, it is these are the two main changes that I have seen in myself. These are the
so
things.
you are pursuing MSc in critical
No.
care, right? So आप यही करना चाहते हैं या फिर
Critical
you
care, yeah.
wanted to do something else कि pediatrics,
See, my
OBG?
basic formula from the beginning itself, it's clear that I actually wanted cardiovascular. Okay, since my rank is a bit high, it was under 100, but it was high. So I didn't get cardiovascular. So my second preference was actually this critical care only. And I opted for critical care, which was actually my second preference. It was not my first preference. So I was a bit happy because dealing with emergencies and all is good.
एक्चुअली PG की सीट्स भी काफ़ी कम हैं और UG की सीट्स और PG की सीट्स UG से तो कंपैरेटिवली कम ही है। सो बैच स्ट्रेंथ क्या होगा आपका?
See, batch strength is I can tell you about AIIMS Bhubaneswar, okay. In my class, it is 20. Okay, 20 in the sense and it is also categorized in critical care we are 2, okay. In cardiovascular we are 1, okay, and neuroscience is similarly 1, okay, and oncology 2, okay. Rest in the pediatrics there are 4, I guess, and 5, okay, not 4, 5, and community 2, and OG 4, and similarly psychiatry 4. So these are in this way we have our division in the different fields. If somebody is doing pediatrics, so they are having 4 or 5 seats in that. So in that way we are having that. So total batch strength is 20, out of which we are having the sub or you can say divisions in that. So this is in AIIMS Bhubaneswar.
So do you have So do you have any idea about total seats, मतलब total seats MSc का कितना होता है एम्स में?
See, in our in my time it was 80 total. It was 80 in my time, including the SC, ST and OBCs, other categories as well. Okay, in which this year AIIMS has raised their seats. I guess it is 25 to 30 more seats they have given in MSc, so it is around 120 now. 120 or 100 approx now.
So how's life different from BSN to MSN? मतलब a lot of assignments of course. So मतलब ऐसा कुछ है कि जो BSN में नहीं था अभी, मतलब ये चीज़ें MSN में हैं, BSN में नहीं थी, तो कुछ ऐसे चीज़ें जो आपको वैसे लगता है कि ये BSN में नहीं थी?
The prime thing I guess जो कि BSN में है but बहुत कम है और MSN पूरा उस पे MSc उस पे पूरी बेस्ड है, इज रिसर्च. टोटली रिसर्च. जान खा ली उसने मेरी. मतलब like see, we are having 6 months of this thing research in our UG, but when it compares to PG is about like 2 years you have to do complete research. Okay, so research is the very major subject in our PG, and that too you have to do it individualized. Unlike BSc, we are doing it in group, and 5 or 6 people are there in our group. So but in your PG you have to do your research under the guidance of your guide individually. So this is the one difference.
So some of the questions जो inspiring nurses आपसे पूछना चाहते हैं, so जो मैंने story डाला था, so let me read them to you. So first question is, what is the eligibility criteria for getting admission in masters? Clinical experience is required.
Eligibility
so
criteria.
मतलब eligibility criteria and clinical experience.
See, the very first eligibility criteria is you should have either BSc degree or your post basic this thing, nursing. You should have either of these two. Okay, the second criteria is for the general category. I don't know about the other caste and all. Okay, for the general category you must have to obtain more than 60% in your total aggregate. Okay, first, second, third, fourth year total aggregate more than 60%. And the third criteria is about your clinical experience. See, AIIMS Bhubaneswar never wanted any of the this clinical experience. Okay, so when I consider AIIMS, all AIIMS actually do not want, and they does not have the criteria of having a clinical experience. Rest, any other government college if you see, okay, they actually ask for at least 1 year mandatory clinical experience. But AIIMS they take freshers as well, since I am a fresher only.
If you want to check out the list of MSc colleges, I button पे click कर देना. मैंने उसमें सब कुछ list लगा दिया है कि MSc nursing की colleges list here if you want to pursue more higher studies. So moving on to the next question. क्वेश्चन शायद ये इसी बारे में है कि एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म कब तक निकलता है एंड व्हाट आर द कट ऑफ मार्क्स. सो बेसिकली पहले आपके पास अपना RN और
होना चाहिए. दिस इज मैंडेटरी for AIIMS. This is mandatory. Okay, and rest of the colleges also. And for nikalti kab hai? Okay, so see, similarly I don't know about other colleges. Okay, for AIIMS usually open their application forms in either December or January. Okay, in between December and January. And regarding the cutoff marks, we do not have as such cutoff marks. Okay, we are having the ranks. Okay, see, during my time, it was the last rank was 90, I guess. So for the general category, in the first counseling, last rank was 90, and that later on in the open counseling, I guess it was 136 for the general category. And for other caste, it will be like that only. But we do not have as such cutoff marks. We are having ranks only. So all AIIMS they tends to have a collective exam, and the last rank of every AIIMS is one of the whatever the last considered AIIMS is 80. At my time 80 or 90 somewhat like that.
So मतलब under 100 तो होना ही चाहिए, मतलब सीट क्या?
See, during my time it was that during my time, but if you say this year rank has gone to, I guess, 180 for general category. It has gone to 180 for general category. So it depends upon individual to individual.
So last closing rank was
180 this year.
What does the stipend pay to pursuing MS?
Okay.
because we don't get any stipend paid at RMS.
Yeah, that was so bad because here in AIIMS UGs are also getting stipend, so fine, whatever. For PG, see, it is in total it is 25,000. Okay, per monthly 25,000 we are getting. Out of that 10,000 they used to deduct 10,000 rupees for the room rent, for like all the facilities that they have given to us. For that they have given all the facilities to us. So for that they tends to deduct 10,000. So in hand we got 15,000 amount. Yeah, this is. Yeah, along with your PG degree, you are getting this much. That's fine.
So I think we have covered up all the essential or necessary questions. And जाते एक last advice you want to give to your juniors or the freshies or जो भी आगे pursue करना चाहते हैं?
Juniors को, हाँ, मैं बस एक एडवाइस ये देना चाहूँगी. See Ankita, I guess the major advice that I would like to give to our juniors as well as the nurses working out there is, one thing is your public view. We have to do something. Okay, every nurse, and this is not the work of an individual nurse, but we have to come together. We have to show the feeling of the sense of Asperity Corps, okay, that we well known about that. Okay, we have to show that. यहाँ BS में बहुत बड़ा था, ठीक है, तो we have to show that, okay, and anyhow we have to change the perception of the public out there that nurses are working far more than what they are thinking. Okay, they are working like really hard in that 8 hours 9 hour shift. They are really working hard, and this thing we have to show it to the public as well, so that they can understand, okay, that whatever they are assuming the kind of nurses we are not like that. We are working much more than that. So I guess for that the nurses has to
see the bigger
picture, and we have to anyhow change the image of the public. Anyhow, we are the only one, because younger ones. Yeah.
So encouraging and so inspiring. So aspiring nurses must incorporate that feeling. So एक छोटा सा question और. So what are your future plans? Means you will be soon post-graduating. So what are your plans?
And whatever I'll do it with my best dedication. I'll do it with my best efforts. That's what I want to do.
All the very best for it.
Thank you.
I know you are capable of doing it, and you will always.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Ankita.
Thank you so much for joining with us.
Thank you. And one more thing, Ankita. I just want to thank you to have me on this, because there are so many things that I have in my heart that I want to tell it to everybody, but I didn't get any platform. So thank you so much for giving me this platform to share my feelings with everybody. Thank you so much.
That's why I started this channel, to inspire inspire a lot of nurses. So nurses helping nurses.
Yeah, really. This is great. Okay, Ankita.
So thank you so much and all the very best.
Thank you.
Let's take a bye.
Bye.
तो गाइस वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज़ लाइक कमेंट एंड शेयर कर देना एंड इंस्टाग्राम पे फॉलो कर लेना एंड आई हैव आल्सो मेंशन मिस मानसी महाजन इंस्टाग्राम एंड अगर आपको कोई क्वेरीज है तो प्लीज़ कमेंट सेक्शन में मेंशन करना, मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पे भी डीएम कर सकते हैं एंड अगर आप चाहते हैं कि मैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो किस पे बनाऊँ प्लीज़ कमेंट सेक्शन में मेंशन करें एंड सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल। सो इस वीडियो में यहीं तक, हम मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट संडे को, तब तक के लिए सेनार सलाम, नमस्ते।